watch this video that but skill that or root more than heart does achieve a lonely soul that yearning to wake up for love that's pure for love that's true. A lingering deep, I cannot unite through silent nights and endless days. I search the world in countless wave, yet still I wandering loose and gold, cooled, a stove, untold, a heart that bold. In every shadow I seek the light, a hand to hold a love so right, but all I find is imperative space, a hello, each a sweet embrace. My heart it calls, it vipers low to find the one who makes it glow. Through every tear, through every sighs, I choose the dream that I never does. Oh, where are you? The one I crave, the souls to save me from this grave. For in this quiet, I hope I pin true love will you one day be mine. The way you smile, laugh, eat, speaks everything you do brings me so much happiness. Being with you keeps me going, especially during twilight times. I want to give all my attention because you deserve it hand and so much more. I think it is remaining when you were born. It is because heaven was caring after all the sent a loving and beautiful angle of earth. I just wanted to let you know how thankful I am for coming and staying in my life. You have celebrated with me in my good times and supported me through the bad times. I value all the moments we have spent together. Words or indeed not enough to tell you how happy I am. So fortunate to have someone like you beside me. All the things you have done for me never go unnoticed. I do not know that something's good I did to be pleased with someone like you. I am forever grateful for you, supporter, caring, and affections. Please stay as you are the because you are the best. I never thought of falling in love with someone I have bravely now then suddenly I meet you one day and something in my ears whispered that is this is the girl that I have always yearned for. Since then all I know is that I love you.